Hello everyone. Today I'm here with you with the explanation of the poem How is My Call by Simon Badaclow. Before moving on to the poem, let's talk about the poet. Simon Badaclow was born and raised in Huddersfield. He is a freelance writer in creative and technical fields and lives in London. His poetry collections are Los Almos Mon Amor and Bonjour Tertris. Let's look into a brief introduction to the poem. It is a monologue by the earth in which we human beings are the intended audience. Styled in an informal style, each stanza talks about one source of energy. The poem is fairly straightforward warning as well as a call to action. It is meant to bridge the gap between our knowledge of energy sources and our reluctance to adopt sustainable practices. It reminds us of realities and gently prompts us to alter our behavior. So, we are going to read and learn about a thought provoking poem that appeals to both our intellect and emotions. So, let's look into the poem in detail, stanza wise. How is my call getting on? I set as much as aside for you as I could. Don't use it all up at once, it might come in handy one day. In stanza 1, Earth is asking us humans about the reserves of coal and telling us not to use them all up. Moving on to the second stanza. How is my oil faring? It keeps best underground in the dark. Doesn't do so well in the light. Don't let it spoil. The second stanza talks about how petroleum is best left untouched underground, implying that it is easily inflammable and therefore best left and not used much. How is the wind blowing? I try to keep it moving. Keep it on the muscle. Keep the pressure on. Make it hustle. The third stanza says that the earth tried to keep the wind moving, indicating that its energy can be harnessed. Any breaking news on wave power? I have hired an intern to handle the oceans. If we could make some ripples, get more converts, that would be swell. In the fourth stanza, the earth is inquiring if we have been able to exploit wave power and how it would be great if more of us could convert to wave energy. Earth also says it has hired an intern to help us, perhaps, implying that research on wave energy is already underway. I assume you are using solar, right? This other stuff's for backup in case there is a rainy day for me in space. Moving on to the last stanza, the poet talks about the most important of all renewable sources of energy. Yes, the fifth stanza says that we should use solar energy because other sources of energy are only meant as a backup for the cloudy days, hinting at the fact that the sun is an inexhaustible source of energy and can be tapped daily except on days that the sun doesn't shine. The very important message for the listeners is that the need of the hour is to tap the sustainable source of energy. Neglecting clean energy sources such as solar, wind, wave can result in blackouts, increased power bills, and will take a heavy toll on our efforts to reduce greenhouse gases. Hence, recognize and adopt the sustainable sources of energy. So, a very important message is given by the poet that there is an urgent need to shift our priorities from the non renewable sources of energy to the renewable sources of energy. Needless to remind you all, the future of our planet is in our hands. That's why renewable sources of energy matter. Here we have done with the explanation of the poem How is My Coal.